Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can fix your live wallpaper not working on your iPhone. What you need to do is just go to your settings, and under settings you need to go to the battery option here. Just tap on the battery option and you need to make sure that your low power mode is not on. Because if you turn on this low power mode, it will automatically disable your live wallpaper to save the battery. So make sure that it is disabled like that, like this. And another thing which you need to take care of, that the live photo which you have taken from your iPhone is detectable by iPhone that it's a live photo. For example, like if I take the photo like this and I move, make sure that the live button is on. This is the live option. If you turn it off, the live option will off. To take the photo, just tap in to turn on the live option. Now for example, this is the object and I'll take the photo, and it will still, hopefully iPhone might not detect, because the light and the object is not clear and the background will shuffle around. So for example, if I take the photo like this, for example, if I take successfully the photo like this, what you need to do is just go over here and set it as a wallpaper. And if you see that, the option will show that if it is detectable to iPhone that it's a live photo or not. So let's see if it detected or not. Yes, this is the live wallpaper. I can set it from here. It means that iPhone has detected that it's a live photo, and you can set it down as a live photo as a wallpaper. So that's how you can actually set it up. If any of your photo isn't working, it means that the iPhone is not able to detect the photo which you have taken. So you might have to take another one, and the previous one is actually useless to create the motion of the photo, so, or animation of the photo. So that's how you can actually take a live photo into your home screen wallpaper. I hope this video helping out in setting up this, and I hope you keep liking our tutorials. For more tutorials like this, please subscribe and share or support us. Bye bye.